So we're at Mandalay Bay. I'm just gonna walk and show you a couple of things here. This is one of my favorite casinos. I don't know why. Just always enjoyed playing here. This is a House of Blues. I have a number of famous artists scheduled. Also has pretty good food. And it's a nice little shopping area, which of course, as the king of shopping center videos, I'm going to show you here in just a minute. I'm going to walk you down to the registration area and the little, I suppose you call it the sort of private area of the Delano Hotel. When this was opened, it was called The Hotel, but a couple of years ago they kind of redid the theme. And I have to admit, I stayed here once for a couple of nights and absolutely loved it. The rooms are huge, really comfortable. They're all more or less mini suites. As you can see, it's right off the casino floor, but right next to the race and sports book, right next to the Cirque du Soleil Theater. So it's certainly not way out here, but it feels a lot more, I don't know what the right word is, relaxed. Seems like you're kind of a long ways away from the casino, which is sometimes nice. There's also another non-gambling hotel on site, the Four Seasons, which has its own separate entrance. This is, I believe, called Della's Kitchen. It's a little coffee shop here at the Delano. Yeah, very nice design. I will say one thing, if you despise the color white, you should never stay here. The rooms are just very, well, they're very white. Let's take a peek at hotel registration. It's also very pretty. So, it's a really nice place to stay if you don't mind being a little off the beaten path, which, yeah, you're not too far away from all the casinos and everything going on the strip, but you're kind of tucked away in your own little world. So it's kind of nice. I think the registration is this way. And once we get there, we'll go ahead and stop this video. I just thought it might be nice to show you a really good alternative to a hotel that's just right off the casino floor. This is the Delano. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. As always, please like and subscribe to our channel.